Alright, here goes the crazy transmission sound. Nice and quiet. Ours is very nice. MK turbo, almost down to stock. Here's when I let the clutch out in neutral. Not sure if you can hear that. I step on it. Oh, there's a little of the other noise, which is very random. Has to do with gear selection, it seems like. Actually, doesn't sound bad this morning. There we go. Pretty nice, but you can hear the weird squeaks and squeals there. That definitely sounds like it's related to the synchros. This is the whirring with the clutch out in neutral. Nah, I'm not sure, man. Might be the pilot bearing.